giving me headache. Hey guys, what's good? Preparing me for work. The time is currently 10:30 and I'm supposed to be at work at 11, so oop, can I brush buffet? So I'm just gonna do my edges real quick. Just gonna brush up my edges. I'll be back. Oh my god, guys. So I'm just gonna wear my watch. So I did my edges. I think they're all set. The time is 10:42. Cure the right. How'd you do this? Love Notes by Ariana Grande and Ariana Grande Cloud. Do you know? Is it called? Hey guys, I don't know if you guys can see me, but yeah. So I'm on my way to work, guys. See you guys. It's cold. I'll catch you guys later when I'm at work. Oh my god, this light is always red, or at least when I'm late. But when I have nothing important to do, it's gonna be me. Jesus. So hey guys, I just arrived at work and the time is 10:58. I have to be in there by in 2 minutes to clock in. Oop, seatbelt. Okay, alright. Oh my god. That is a joke a lot. Usually tells me one day I'll come and see her there. Yeah, I will. So hi guys, what I basically do at my job is when I check in, I check my emails and I start registering patients. That's collect their demographics, employment data, insurance, and then they sign documents. They sign HIPAA privacy notice, they sign annual patient registrations, they sign consent to treat, and they also sign permission to send the bill to their insurances. So we basically get their insurances and all their information. So when I come in, I usually like to start out at the front, and at the front I arrive patients who are not brought in by the ambulance. Those are patients who come in driving themselves with their cars, or someone drops them off, or kids who come in with their families. But basically people who do not come in by the ambulance, I arrive them at the front. I use their IDs to check them in. I ask them why they're here, and then I put all the information in the system, and the nurse calls them in according to how they arrive. So on this day we did not have a lot of patients, and that's why I had a little bit of time to do like my devotions. I read my Bible on my phone and jotted down some notes that I understood from the passage. And yeah, that's why I like the job, because at least you have time to do some of your stuff. And right now a patient was walking, so I was checking him in and asking him what's wrong with him. I remember when I interviewed for the job and my supervisor was asking me if I'll be able to cope, because we see a lot of stuff, and the guy who just walked in was almost fainting, but I needed to check him in, and he said he was having a heart attack, but we really need to get the information in, and I hurried to check him in and we rushed him to the back. And on some days it's crazier because we have people with gunshots, we have people who attempted suicide, we have all kinds of people who just walk in, and yeah, I'm happy to serve them. So after a couple hours, I have to switch with the person at the back. I start to arrive people who come in the back by ambulance. I have to collect insurance signatures. Yeah, those who are on Medicare, I have to collect signatures from them. And yeah, at the back is more busy than the front because you have to be up and down. So guys, I just finished work. So guys, I just finished work. I never knew this shift would come to an end. So right now I want to go do groceries because I'm not leaving the house with 2 kids, so I better run now when I have the time. So see you. So you guys, I'm about to go into the gas station. You guys are gonna stay in this car because my hand never is strong for that vlogging. I know if you hold this camera inside some place. So we're not going to sit down for here. When I go, she don't wait. So I'm on Walmart. I don't know why this camera is blurry somehow. I'm seeing some blur, but it's fine. I'm at Walmart. I'm just gonna dash in and dash out because I'm really tired and I want to go home. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog inside, but we'll see. Guys, I'm so pissed. Oh my god. A phone case I bought from Staples. It's giving me headache. And I bought not a phone case, a phone holder for my GPS. It's giving me headache for that phone holder for about $25. This is the thing shaking here. The thing is never supposed to be able to breathe. It's not supposed to be able to shake. It's supposed to just obey. Everywhere I say stand, it's supposed to just stand. I don't understand this. Thank God that we can return stuff. What am I even talking about? Is it tiredness or madness? I said, thank God that we can return stuff. I'm on my way home. This phone better not fall down. Oh my God. I thought I was just going to pick one or two things, but I ended up buying a whole, what's it called? I ended up buying a whole cart. Anyways, I'm on my way home. I'll talk to you guys later. So hey guys, I look a mess right now. My little carries are napping. And I went to work last night and I came back this morning. There was 8 inches of snow outside. I came home safe, no problem. And then where I had an issue was when I was about to get into the driveway. Snow. I had to park on the wrong side of the road. I couldn't reverse because the car kept sliding and I could fall into a ditch. Oh my God, look at me talking this whole time and there was this music playing behind here, which is not supposed to be playing. I don't know why I feel like this camera is slanting. Okay now. I do not like to talk to you guys with chapped lips, so I had to go do this. And then so laundry, so their dad did the laundry the whole night yesterday for the sheets, the kids' clothes, and oh my God, I'm so grateful. And then yeah, so here we are. I'm picking up this vlog. I don't know why I look so bright. So I came across something on TikTok. I'm a really I like trying out new stuff when it comes to photography. I'm a very creative mind. Like I love photography, I love art, I love photography and art. I love writing. So I saw something and I'm about to try it out. Yep.